Hey everybody, it's Mark again. Here's Nathan's musical After the Hunt one day cuckoo clock. It didn't have any ears to start with. I got the temporary links because I'm going to make sure this clock stays running for at least 24 hours. Doesn't supposed to play music on the half hour. And it plays the anniversary song. And that's why I wanted him to get parts for this musical movement versus putting a new music box in it. But it's so far everything's looking good, and it hasn't ran. I was talking to him since the 70s, and this clock was made in the 60s time frame. I hope that Nathan likes it. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video set. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it's free to do so. Leave me comments, and may God bless each and every one of you.